In this video, you are going to see how to make a photo album in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Photo Album, click on New Photo Album. I have to choose a folder, click on File Disk. Here I have a folder in my computer, click on this one and click on Insert. And you can choose the photo by holding the Control button like this, or you can press Ctrl A to select all of this. Now let us click on Insert, and here I have the picture. If I click on the check mark, I can easily rotate it or increase or decrease the brightness. Let us uncheck this. If I want to add a text box between these two photos, I can click on New Text Box, and here let us click on Remove. Now in the down below you will find some option, Fit to Slide. If I click on Fit to Slide, only one photo will be in the slide. If I click on 4 pictures, the 4 pictures will be added in a slide. If I click on Caption below all picture, there will be caption in the image. Let us check it. And here, frame shape, I can use rounded rectangle. Here is the preview. I can use simple frame white. Here is the preview. Let us select this one, simple frame and white. I can edit it after making the slide. Click on Create, and here you will see I have successfully created the photo album, and here is the name of the photo. If I want to edit this, go to Insert, go to Photo Album, click on Photo Album, uncheck the caption and change the style to just simple rectangle. Again click on Update, and here you will see I have removed the text box and I have changed the picture style. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.